Ever wondered what happens when you put one guy on drums and keyboard in the same event?
Yeah, me too. Spoiler, it's me. And this is POV, You Are a Drummer on CIF's 41st anniversary, or as I like to call it, how many instruments can Jericho play before he collapses?
Sobrang lapit naman yun. Hindi kaya ako karmahin yan. Yo, with Mike! Kabito ba? One week before anniversary, dami nagaganap, dami nangiyak. Pero lahat kami excited. Music Salt, lahat ng ministry excited. And sabi nga ni Pastor, ibang anniversary to kasi sa lahat ng church, tayo lang ang mag-anniversary ng Coliseum. Tama! Kami. Balikan ko kayo kapag mismong day na.
Excited. Parang hindi naman excited sa tono no? Pero excited ako and masaya kasi hindi lang kasi music yung role ko. Nasa pub din ako. Kaya marami akong gagawin pero nakaka-excite.
Kompleto kami apat.
Leto kami apat. CAP.
We are the fourth. It's the fourth.
Ano nangyayari?
Pero naman ako sa UK.
Kamusta ka naman? Tayo? I mean, doon na tayo bibili?
Yes.
Mga video ako sa at least.
Final rehearsal at the House of Blessings. Courtesy of Kuya Glenn. Shoutouts, Kuya. This one had everything. Soundcheck chaos, bandmates clowning around, vocals flexing, picture-taking marathons, and food. Lots of food, actually. So basically, it's a family reunion disguised as a rehearsal.
So here's going to be my drumstick.
Making a vlog.
How are you? Welcome to this vlog.
This chaotic vlog.
Okay, chaotic ba daw?
Ano to? CIF?
Yeah.
Welcome to CIF. Ano sasabihin ko?
Video to, Bonzi.
Saan lang pintuan to?
I have defeated the zombies in our lawn.
Salamat sa donut.
Yes, your girlfriend. Your girlfriend. Your girlfriend. Like, just say hi.
Hi.
I'm doing a vlog.
Pwede mag-defend dun sa...
Thank you, kuya.
Bye. Thank you, Ate Beck, sa padonut mo.
Bye-bye.
Dali!
Kana, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Smile ka, smile! Smile! Flying kiss mo, flying kiss. Ito,
Here,
ito.
here, here.
Flying kiss ka sa camera.
Ilang beses na nandito ako, gumarapit ako. Poji!
Yes. So, ulit pa. Hi guys! This is the day that the Lord has me.
Lalabas this is it. Lalabas sa Animal Planet. Elevation worship.
Hello, good morning. Happy day to us all. May we enjoy this lovely day for the Lord. And yeah.
Good day, mate.
Dito masakit.
Say hi to my vlog, though. This is
Hi,
the day.
Say hi ka. Ano? This is the Lord has made. Prano. Papo naman. Wala
Direk. Direk. Oo, ayo. Baka champion yan. Baka champion yan. For the vlog lang, appear lang. Very good. Great job.
Taas. Daw kay Ate Gogi. Kumuha kayo ng fake ID.
For the vlog lang, kuya. Good job. Grabe.
Grabe si Lord.
Grabe si Lord.
Kakain. Kaya.
First song, first verse, putol agad.
Appear lang. Appear lang. Grabe yun. Appear lang.
Bye guys!
End my vlog na. Say hi and
Papaya naman.
bye-bye. Sorry.
Then picture.
Vlog to eh. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Paano yung baba?
Oh my God.
Ano lang. Bye-bye. Congrats. Bert. Bye-bye. Congrats.
Thank you so much. Happy 41st anniversary, Arise 2033. Come!
Bye-bye kuya. Congrats.
Bye guys! Tapos na. Tapos na anniversary. 31st.
Guys, see you sa 42nd.
Abangan nyo yung
Sa labas ng
40
40-second anime. Ilalabas yung vlog ko 40-second anime.
Bye. See you.
31st, ang pinakamalaking naganap na anniversary. Abangan nyo sa 42nd. Sobrang galing.
Yes, yes.
Mas malaki. Double.
Malaki.
Sa Pasig naman.
Doble. Doble ano? Bale, 4 na sila.
Bye-bye. Congrats.
Guys, it's done.
Very good. Pero,
Thank you, Lord.
hindi naman tumama. Ito kita.
Ba't may ganito?